close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let your shoulders drop. Just listen to these words, letting them be your own. Dear Creator, I come to you just as I am right now, exhausted, hurt, and completely broken-hearted. I am tired of trying to be strong, tired of holding it all together, and tired of pretending that I am fine. You know every hidden ache, every unshed tear, and the exact weight of the sadness sitting on my chest. I open my heart to you, even the shattered pieces of it. Please meet me in this quiet space. Let me feel your unconditional love and presence wrapping around me like a warm blanket, reminding me that I don't have to hide my pain. Take a deep, slow breath. Inhale comfort, and exhale the tension. There is so much confusion in my mind right now. I am flooded with questions that have no answers, thoughts of what could have been, and regrets that loop over and over. Help me silence the noise. I hand over my need to understand everything, and I ask for the grace to accept things as they are right now. Give me the strength to let go of the things, the situations, or the people I cannot change. Where there is chaos and spinning thoughts in my mind, speak a quiet, calming peace. Take another deep breath. Let go of the need to fix everything right this second. My heart feels incredibly fragile, like the slightest thing will break it all over again. I ask for your gentle healing hand to rest upon my emotions. Tend to the wounds left by rejection, disappointment, loss, or loneliness. Slowly stitch my heart back together. Wash away any bitterness, anger, or resentment that tries to take root in this pain. Protect my spirit so that even though I am hurting, I do not become hard, cold, or closed off to the world. Breathe in deeply. Imagine a quiet, healing light filling up the empty spaces inside you. Looking ahead feels overwhelming right now. The future feels uncertain and heavy. So, I ask only for the strength to get through today, just this one day, or even just the next hour. Remind me that healing is not a race, and that it is okay if my progress feels slow. Give me the courage to be kind to myself when I feel sad, and the permission to smile if a moment of joy finds me. Help me remember that my worth has not changed, and that I am still profoundly valuable. Breathe out slowly, releasing the pressure to have everything figured out today. Finally, I pray for a spark of hope. Right now, it feels like this dark night will never end, but I choose to believe that the sun will rise again. Build a quiet resilience inside of me. Help me trust that this heartbreak is a chapter in my story, but it is not the final page. I plant the seed of faith that better days are waiting for me, that I will laugh deeply again, and that my heart will feel whole and light once more. I leave my heart in your hands, trusting that I am safe, I am loved, and I will be okay. Amen.